Hello children, welcome to 3rd standard English. Today our topic trees name. Let us learn trees name.
Children, today we are going to learn about trees. Do you know about trees, children? Trees contribute to their environment by providing oxygen, improving air quality, climate, conserving water, preserving soil, and supporting wildlife. During the process of photosynthesis, trees take in carbon dioxide and provide the oxygen we breathe. Children, in this video, you learn trees name. Okay, children, look at this tree. This is jack tree. This is jack tree. The jackfruit, also known as jack tree, is a species of tree in the fig, mulberry, and breadfruit family. Its origin is in the region between the Western Ghats of southern India and the rainforest of Malaysia. Look at this picture, children. This is coconut tree. This is coconut tree. The large oval brown seeds of a tropical palm consisting of a hard woody husk surrounded by fiber, lined with edible white flesh and containing a clear liquid. Coconut trees add visual impact to a landscape and also produced edible coconut fruits. We use coconut trees all the parts. Children, look at this picture. This is fig tree. Fig tree. The fig is an important food. It's a very important food for humans and animals. Okay, in both fresh and dried forms. The fig trees are used for manufacturing items such as handicrafts, shields, and buildings. Look at this. This is neem tree. This tree name is neem tree. Okay, so neem leaf is used for eye disorders, bloody nose, stomach upset, and then skin ulcers and liver problems. Okay, then children, do you know, especially it cures the malaria. Children, do you know neem tree is a medicinal plant? Okay, children, this is tamarind tree. Tamarind tree. Okay, tamarind spatially dried fruit is used to make medicines. Dried fruit is used to make medicines. Then tamarind leaves are used for herbal medicine as well as for spicing up soup. Okay, then this tree grows in several regions around the world. Children, do you know we used its wood also? Let's see. This is peepal tree. Children, do you know, according to the science of Ayurveda, every part of the peepal tree, that means leaf, bark, seeds, and its fruit has a several medicinal benefits. Then peepal fruit can also be taken for cough. We taken for cough. Okay. Children, we must encourage avoid cutting trees. Okay. Okay, children, let's see the next picture. This is mango tree. Children, do you like mangoes? Okay, good. So mango tree is erect and branching with a thick trunk and broad rounded canopy. The leaves of the tree also very fine and dark green. We prepare juice from mango and it's very sweet taste. Okay children, let's see the next tree. Plantain tree. Plantain tree. Plantains are eaten as a vegetable and are cooked to consumptions. They are an important components of many dishes in western side. Plantain trees, all the parts we used to prepare food. Then banana is very healthy food. Last one, it is banyan tree. It's banyan tree. Did you see this, children? Banyan tree. It's banyan tree, okay? Children, do you know banyan tree leaves have powerful healing and antimicrobial properties, okay? Okay, children. The banyan tree is still used as a source of shade in many villages. Children, in this tree you can see in many villages, okay? Each and every part of this tree has its own unique medical uses, okay? The bark and seeds can be used as a tonic to maintain body temperature and treat diabetes, okay? The roots can be used to your teeth and gums by brushing with them, okay? It's very useful tree, children.
Thank you, children.